Hi, welcome to Sweat Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a snack called Apam Balik. We call it in Malaysia. If I explain it, it is a pancake which is filled with peanut, sweet corn and little butter. It's very tasty. Let me show you how to do it. First I'm going to make dough for the appam. Add in 1 beaten egg, then brown sugar, adding in baking soda and yeast, a pinch of salt, mix well. I'm adding in tapioca flour into plain flour and mix them well before I add into the egg. Come to water, add little by little until you get to the right thickness and mix well. Now I got the right thickness, so I'm going to leave this dough for 1 hour. So you see now it's come up a bit. Stir nicely and I'm going to show you how to do the appam. Heat up the pan and add in some butter. Make sure always the flame is slow. And then add in little bit more of butter and sugar a bit. After adding the sugar, I am adding in ground peanut. Now I am adding in canned sweet corn. Cover the lid for the top part to cook. Please try this recipe, you will really enjoy and will not regret. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sweat Recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.